Hey boos, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be making a shrimp boil, and I'm also going to be showing you guys how I make my butter sauce for most of my seafood boils. But before we get into this video, I'm going to need you guys to pause this video, hit that subscribe button, and make sure you turn that notification bell on because I have a lot of great recipes in store for you guys. Also, be sure to check the description box below where I give the full recipe and I give you guys step-by-step directions. So for this recipe, we will be using some butter, a lemon, garlic paste, an oven bag, Cajun seasoning, chili powder, Creole seasoning, paprika, ground sage, onion powder, black pepper, whole oregano, parsley flakes, cayenne pepper, 1 onion chopped, and some grated ginger. I have my corn. You want to make sure you pre-boil that. Then I have sausage, jumbo shrimp, peels on. Then I have my potatoes. I pre-boiled that. Then I have my seafood mix, which is basically scallops, mussels, squid, and shrimp. And then I have a pound of jumbo scallops. Alright, so let's get into the video. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to melt 2 sticks of butter on low heat. Once it has melted, I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of garlic paste, and we are just going to give that a good stir. Then I'm going to add about a 1/2 thick inch piece of ginger in there, and we're just going to grate that up. Then I can add in my onions. And I'm just going to keep stirring these until they're translucent. So now I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of Cajun seasoning, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of paprika, and 2 teaspoons of cayenne pepper. And now I'm going to add a tablespoon of ground sage, a tablespoon of whole oregano, and 2 teaspoons of onion powder, and 1 squeezed lemon. And that is just going to really help us enhance that flavor and make this butter sauce really come together. So now I'm just going to add a tablespoon of sugar, and that's just going to help us get that sweet, savory taste. Add 2 teaspoons of black pepper. If you want your butter sauce to be a little more spicy, substitute that for cayenne pepper. Now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of beer. I'm using Heineken. However, girl, use your favorite beer. It doesn't matter. Once we are done making our butter sauce, I'm just going to take all my seafood and put it inside of a pan. That way it's just easier for us to mix everything up. So now I'm going to add some Creole seasoning, and you just want to season this to taste. Just keep in mind that you don't have to add too much seasoning because the butter sauce is already well seasoned. Now I'm just going to add my butter sauce and give everything a good stir. You want to really make sure you stir this up well so all of the pieces are coated in that butter sauce. So now we are just going to take all our seafood and place it in the bag. I like to use bags when I do my seafood boils because it really helps me lock that flavor in. Last thing I'm going to add is about a tablespoon of parsley, 1 stick of butter, and about 6 sprigs of thyme. Then we're just going to take that bag and tie it up, and we are going to put that in the oven and cook that on 350 for about 30 minutes. So this is what it should look like when you take it out the oven. It should have a good amount of juice in the bottom. So it's basically done now. I'm just going to drizzle some butter on top. So that's the final product, guys. Be sure to leave your requests below in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.